The last 4 years have been very, very rewarding and fulfilling to the people of Yobe State. And I am glad to inform you that His Excellency is paying a lot of attention to sustainable security and peace, and also to improve on the achievements that are recorded in education, healthcare delivery, youth empowerment, agriculture, and a host of other aspects of development, to see that the lives of the people of Yobe State are improved from what we have today, so that, yes, life will be more meaningful and, of course, very rewarding to the people of Yobe State in the next 4 years. You will agree with me that in the face of some very challenging factors like the COVID-19, and just imagine out of the insecurity challenge, that's the Boko Haram insecurity, and of course the global recession, His Excellency was able to establish 138 out of the 178 proposed primary health care centers across the state. There are some communities that there are some communities on the borders of Nigeria and Niger Republic that is here that are part of Yobe State, who initially had to cross over to Niger Republic to access healthcare delivery. To the glory of God, and of course to the commitment of His Excellency, these functional primary healthcare centers were established in such communities, and they now need not to go anywhere to access healthcare delivery. It has been brought to their doorsteps. Apart from that, you are also aware of the fact that Yobe State has the largest maternal and child health center in Nigeria, that was commissioned by former President Mamman Mohammed. His Excellency also constructed or established 7 mega secondary schools and 7 model secondary schools across the state to help and assist in decongesting schools that are so congested in the 7 urban areas in the state. I'm glad to also say that in the area of economic development, that is to boost the economy, His Excellency, the government of Honorable Mamman Buni, established modern international markets in Damaturu, Gashua, Nguru. Well, we have that of Potescom still ongoing, and that of Gaidam, that was initially disrupted by the activities of the insurgents. So you can see that, yes, it was a harvest of infrastructural development in the last 4 years. His Excellency has stressed his commitment to build on these achievements and to ensure that these are extended to more areas in Yobe State. Let me inform you, and of course our viewers, that today, as at last year, Yobe State emerged and is still reigning as the overall best performing state in accountability and transparency. This was the assessment of state fiscal transparency and accountability and sustainability. That's SIFTAS. It's a World Bank assisted program. So if an organization like the World Bank assisted program, that SIFTAS, can recommend and of course award the state government with this award, this recommendation, recognition by SIFTAS is something that we are so proud of. And of course, it is equally due to the combined factors of the commitment of the state government and of course the civil servants who are out there putting in their best. Today, Yobe State is the best overall performing state in accountability and transparency. Similarly, I am glad to inform you that Yobe State is the second best performing state in subnational public finance audit. This is an assessment by a Paradigm Leadership Support Initiative. It's an assessment of the 36 states, and of course, Yobe State emerged the second best. So you can see that the civil servants are putting in their best and working in collaboration with the state government to make these great feats. The Association of Public Procurement Association of Nigeria is another independent body that assessed Yobe as the best performing state in due process in conducting government business. So the governor has made that political will and, of course, given the latitude for our civil servants here to perform, to realize their capacities and put in their best, as well as to contribute to the development of the state. So these awards, as you can see, indicates the excellent relationship. It's a clear indication of the excellent relationship existing between the state government and the civil servants. Yes, in the last 4 years, government provided tractors. Of course, to be specific, it's a Massey Ferguson brand, one of the best you can find, and also fertilizer. I'm glad to inform you that as we speak now, Yobe State government is in discussion with a tractor company that has shown interest to establish an assembly plant here in Yobe State. That will mean bringing more employment opportunities, as well as providing tractors to the people at a very, very subsidized prices and very, very accessible, not just to the people of Yobe State, of course, to the Northeast sub-region. So His Excellency has demonstrated this political will to bring in these investors, and of course, you know what it means. By the time they come in here, the advantages are quite clear that a lot of people will gain employment, and either direct or indirect, and as well as making tractor accessible and affordable to farmers here in Yobe State.